In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve media creation tool error 0x80072f8f-0x20000 error. The first thing you need to do is go ahead to search menu, just type in Internet Options. After that, just click on the first option, which is Open. Now just go ahead and click on the Advanced tab. As you can see, just scroll down under Security. Just go ahead, check mark the Use TLS 1.1 and TLS 1.2. Then click on Apply and then click on OK. And I hope this fixes the problem. If not, you might also want to check if you meet the system requirements in order to run whatever version of Windows you are trying to update. So just go ahead, check that, and as always, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.